But why are you wasting time now?
I'm not going to the page.
You have done this thing
Number
since.
91.
Please don't be wasting time like this. Next
Well,
time,
coming.
everything you should have everything ready before the time, not after we have joined class. That's when you are now looking for the page. And what's the number? What does it say? Ugo, what does it say?
Which of the following is a magnetic material?
I thought we have answered this question. Oh, yeah, read the options and give me the answer quickly.
Aluminium, silver, glass, iron filling, copper.
So which one is a magnetic material?
Iron filling.
Okay. All right. Next.
The main source of energy to the earth is
What are the options?
moon, light, rocks, sun, star.
Which one is correct?
Sun.
Correct. That's it. Move on.
Go. 93. Which of the following would allow electricity to pass through it? Glass, cloth, rubber, copper wire, all of the above.
Come again with the options.
Glass, cloth, rubber, copper wire, all of the above.
All of the above or none of the above?
All of the above.
So which one do you think is correct?
Cloth.
Electricity can pass through clothes.
Copper wire.
It's copper wire now. Why are you going to say clothes? Now, let me explain something here. I don't know if that's what you are thinking. There are people who have said that they got an electric shock because even though the wire, like of course, something like a live wire touched their clothes. But you see, the reason why sometimes it looks like electricity flows in something that normally does not conduct electricity is either because the thing is not pure or the thing contains something that will aid electricity to flow through it, or the thing is wet. You understand? So normally, water is a poor conductor of electricity normally. But when water becomes either contaminated or deliberately have something added to it, like salt water is a perfect conductor of electricity. It will electrocute faster than even a normal wire, copper wire, because of the salt inside. So you understand what I'm saying, right? Under normal circumstances, glass, cloth, I don't know what other options was there before copper wire.
Rubber.
Rubber, All those ones are poor conductors of electricity on their own. They are poor conductors. In fact, some of them they are insulators, proper insulators, like rubber. That's why you have boots. Boots are made out of rubber. The sole of boots is rubber or plastic. Because why is it so? Because we want to protect the person who is wearing the boot against a possible electric shock. Okay, move on to the next.
That ensures that the high current does not pass through a circuit to damage electrical appliances.
Okay, what are the options?
Bulb, fuse,
What
wire,
are the options?
switch, sockets.
Okay, so what do you think is the answer?
Switch.
What?
Switch.
Fridge. Did you say fridge?
Switch.
Switch. No, can't be switch. Do you understand what the question is even saying? You know, there are sometimes when the power holding company, I don't want to say NEPA, everybody calls it NEPA, but we all know that NEPA is no longer their name. The power holding company, when they restore the power, sometimes the thing is too high to start burning things in the house. Have you ever noticed that?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
No.
Eh?
No,
You
no,
said
no.
no. Okay. Just pray that you don't notice it, but I'm just telling you it's a possibility. So that's the reason why, if you look at some appliances, they have 3 pins in the plug that you put on the wall. The whole idea is that once you put those plug on the wall, even if the power would have that would have come from the socket would have burnt whatever it is that was connected to it. It
Resistor.
will the fuse. There's something called the fuse. The fuse will kill the connection or cut off the connection. How? By itself melting. It will melt so that it will melt and disconnect and cut off the electricity flow. So that what will happen? Electricity will just stop. It will not flow and spoil the equipment. Do you understand now?
Uh-huh.
So it's a fuse, not switch. Switch will just allow switch is for on off. It doesn't know anything apart from that. And once you put it on, it doesn't check is the current coming from there high. No, it doesn't check. It just allows it to pass through. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
So you can think of switch like a gate. You know, when you open the gate, a car can come in. Do you understand? So that switch is like a
Uh-huh.
gate. Once you open it, once you press it down, you have opened the gate. Electricity cannot come inside. You get it now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, on to the next.
Number 95. The amount of electric current in a circuit is measured in
The amount of what?
electric current in a circuit is measured in B volts.
What are the options?
Watts, volts,
Mm,
ampere,
mm,
grams.
mm. So the answer is amperes. Okay.
Huh?
I think you should know that in your book. Write it down somewhere in your book. Amperes. 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 That's the name of the man that discovered how to measure electricity.
Ampere.
Yes.
The material which would allow electric current to pass through them are Conductors.
Yes, conductors, correct. Next.
For current to flow in a circuit, the positive terminal of the cell in the circuit must be connected to the dash terminal of the other. The negative B.
Okay, wait. Come again with the question, please. Let me hear it.
The current flow. For current to flow in a circuit, the positive plus the positive terminal of the cells in the circuit must be connected to the dash terminal of the other circuit.
Okay.
And I said B, negative.
Positive to negative, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go on.
98. Cells are devices which change energy, dash energy to electrical energy. B, chemical energy.
Yes. In a battery, right?
It's cells.
A cell,
Cells.
okay, yes. So yes, I agree. So when you have a collection of cells, you now have a battery. Yes, you're correct. Go ahead.
Two more cells. A material which will not allow heat energy to pass through them are insulators.
Yes. What are they? Insulators, yes. Insulators are the direct opposite of conductors. Well done. On to the next.
Number 100. Which of the following has got an electromagnet in it? Electric bell, battery, loudspeaker, telephone receivers, all except B.
Read the options again. Sorry, read the question again. Sorry.
Which of the following has got an electromagnet in it?
Okay.
Never.
And now, let's hear the options again.
Electric bell, battery, loudspeaker, telephone receivers, all except B.
What do you think is the answer?
All except B.
Which one is B? What's the option B?
Battery.
Now, I want you to look at the question very well. Are you sure battery can meet those requirements for the question?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now look at what I want you to do. You said battery. Now read the question again, but this time pay particular attention to what the things that the question said. Take it one more time.
Electric battery. Electric bell. Electric bell. Electric bell.
Electric bell.
Uh-huh.
So it says something that these ones don't have an electromagnet inside, right?
has got an electromagnet in it.
Electric bell has an electromagnet now. So what is letter B? What is option B?
Battery.
Battery, correct. So we can say all except B, battery.
So a loudspeaker has an electromagnet.
Yes, now. It has a magnet, which is kind of, you know.
The sun, moon, and stars are known as. Hello?
Read it again, please. Let me listen.
The sun, moon, and stars are known as.
What are the options?
Big bodies, earthly bodies, artificial bodies, heavenly bodies, all of the above.
Which one do you think is the answer?
Heavenly bodies.
Heavenly bodies. Thank you. Correct. Next.
Saturday was named after Saturn. Hello?
Yes. Who was it named after?
Saturn. Do you know who it was named after?
Saturday, right? I'm not sure myself. Let me check. Okay, yes, you're right. It's Saturn.
Recently, I don't guess.
It's named after the Roman god called Saturn. You know, I think there's a planet called Saturn too. Okay. The Roman god of agriculture. Okay, go ahead.
Mirror and polished surfaces dash lights, reflect light.
Correct. They are glossy, so they reflect. Go ahead.
The force which the earth pulls anybody towards itself is the mass. Because there's no gravity.
Sorry, take it again.
The force with which the earth pulls anybody towards itself is the dash of the body.
What did you say as the answer?
Mass.
Did you say mass? How can it be mass now? Is there no option for like gravitational?
No. There's base, there's weight, mass, height, and volume.
Okay, can we go to the next one?
Then what is the answer?
For which one?
For this one.
Sorry, take the question again. I think I missed it.
The force with which the earth pulls anybody towards itself is the
I said gravitational. Gravitational force. What are the options now? You didn't even read out the options.
Base, weight, Mass, height, and volume.
Is weight. You said there is weight, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Number 105. Which of the following is nearest to the Earth? Moon, star, Jupiter, Sun, Mars. A. Moon.
Which of the following is nearest to the sun, right?
To the Earth.
Okay, to the earth. Okay, so it's Mars, right?
Mars.
Yes.
Okay. Number 106. When the moon passes between the sun and the earth, and all the three are in a straight line, we have the eclipse of the atmosphere. The solar eclipse.
Is that the answer you go with?
But there are no solar eclipse. When the earth passes between the sun and the moon, and all the three are in a straight line, we have the eclipse of the A, moon, B, sky, C, Mars, D, atmosphere, E, earth.
Hmm. Oh, that's interesting. Let's hear the question again.
When the earth passes between the sun and the moon, and all three are in a straight line, we have the eclipse of the, I think it is the earth.
Okay.
Can you ask Google?
Okay. All right. Give it a try.
That means number 106 is E and number 107 is A. Wait, no. They're not Earth.
Yeah.
When the moon passes between the sun and the earth and all three are in a straight line, we have the eclipse of there's no earth.
Okay. Okay, but I thought that first one said it would be a solar eclipse now.
I
You don't know what
mistakenly
it
skipped.
says.
I was reading one number, the other number.
Okay. Okay, so are you saying
Number
that the option is
100.
not there?
Yes, for number 106.
Okay. Let's go to the next one now.
So what do I write?
Just write what should be the correct answer and then we move on.
Number 107 is a moon.
Okay. All right.
Number 108. Are we stopping at 110?
What or not number are you on now?
109. 8.
We cannot stop at 110 now.
Hey,
We started at 4 o'clock, so it's 5 we're ending.
big job.
You want to do the big job?
I just finished eating.
You have to wait now. Hold it.
I've already been holding it.
Oh yeah, stop at 10 quickly.
An object that emits light of its own is said to be a luminous object.
Yes.
Number 109. The sun is made up of hot burning gases. These gases are hydrogen and helium.
Mm. Yes, correct.
I literally guessed. Which of the following statements?
It's not always that your guesses work.
I know. I've been guessing. For the ones I don't know, I've been guessing and I got them correct. Which of the following statements is or are true about stars? They shine both day and night.
Which of
They are both. Which of the following statements is or are true about stars? They shine both day and night. They are made up of hydrogen and helium. They are uncountable. The smallest star is bigger than the Earth. All of the above. Is it true that the smallest star is bigger than the Earth?
the Earth? Yes, it's true.
What?
It's true. Yes. You know why? Because the sun itself is a type of star.
But
You
it said
understand?
the smallest star.
Yes, that's why I said the smallest star is bigger than the Earth because it's big. The reason why they look small is because they are far away. You understand?
How far are they?
I don't know.
If they are bigger than
You
the
can find that one out from Google.
Earth, look like when they say star, they look like dirt.
Whatever. Okay, so that was 110 that you read, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So the answer is all of the above.
Our next class will be mathematics.
Okay.
I hope you'll be back home by then.
I'm already home here.
Are you guys home now?
We came home like since 12 or 1.
No problem. Our next class will be mathematics. That would be
On
on
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yes. All
Because
right.
you have class Tuesday and Thursday.
See you then.
See you.
Bye.